Good morning, everyone. It's Anila K here, and I know this is a tough time for so many of you, but I really love how we're all supporting each other. Like every Instagram story I hear is about what can we do while we're at home, and I think this is such an amazing example of unity through the Instagram and social media because we're trying to help each other for nothing else but to make each other feel better through this difficult time of staying home and being quarantined. So of course, being that I'm into the beauty industry, I was like, you know what? Why don't I share my tips as well? So it's been a long week of social distancing and distance learning for the kids. And it's been good. It's been great, but it's been busy. So today's Sunday. I slept in a little bit, and that's always a good way to relax, to just wake up kind of late. And today is going to be my self-care day. So I'm going to explain to you what I'm going to do today, and if you guys have different versions of masks that you already have at home, you can work on those. I'm gonna start with a white clay mask. So this will help me because I have oily skin, and it's a white clay, so it helps with like whiteheads, it helps with tightening, and it's gonna help take out any impurifications. So I'm gonna start with this. I'm gonna put it all over my face. I'm gonna show you how much to put on. And after I have this on, I have to leave it on for about I would say 7 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna leave that on, and then I'm gonna hop into the shower. I'm gonna show you that, just explaining it to you guys. And then I bought this before the whole coronavirus thing happened, but I didn't get a chance to use it. So this is Shea and Coconut Oil. It's a treatment conditioner. After I shampoo my hair and I rinse it, I'm gonna leave this on for 5 to 7 minutes because my hair is getting a little bit dry. And I really want to, make it look a little bit softer. Last week I put coconut oil in my hair and I slept through the night with it with a hair mask on and a little bit of what do you call those like shopping caps, shower caps. Yeah, so I had that on. And then when I have that on, the conditioner, what I'm going to do is, since I have 7 minutes without the water running, I'm going to use this great Arbonne detox scrub. It smells so good and so refreshing. Oh my god, I'm not gonna feel like I'm at home. This thing is so amazing. Like, you have to see this when it's over, or if you can order it online. This thing is absolutely amazing. It feels so invigorating, and that's what I'm gonna do. And when I'm done with the shower and the bath, I have this beautiful green tea hand and body lotion that I got from duty free from the airport. It also smells good. So a lot of this is aromatherapy. So there you go. I'm going to take care of my face with a mask and take care of my hair with a mask. I'm going to take care of my body with a scrub and then put some lotion on. And that's going to be my day. So let's start with the mask. You don't need so much. A little bit does go a long way. And remember, whenever you're using a mask that's to tighten, it doesn't have to be too thick. So just going to put on in circular motions. I'm actually not wearing my glasses, so I can't see the camera from here, and I tend to go a little bit under my chin as well, and I just put it in circular motions here. If you have an applicator to do this, it's even better. And I love the feeling when it starts to get a little bit harder, because then you feel like, oh my god, my skin is firming up. And the funny thing is, every time I put on this mask, everybody knows in the house that it's mommy's self-care time. So they'll leave me alone, and I get my alone time. And I enjoy this. And I'm busy with them all week long. So the weekends, sometimes we do like family activities, and sometimes we do our own thing. But yeah. Okay. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna leave this on for 7 to 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna just go into the shower and rinse it off in the shower with my Clarisonic brush that I have. So I'll put it in motion because it's going to be a little bit firm. I want to use warm water, but I'm also gonna use my Clarisonic brush, and it's gonna exfoliate my skin while I'm taking off the mask. Anyway, so I hope this helps some of you guys. If you have nothing else to do, just do some self-care. I mean, tweeze your eyebrows, put on a mask, do a hair mask, just do anything for yourself so you feel good. Maybe even a warm cup of tea and read a book or something. All right, guys, I will check you guys out later. Tata from Manila K. Bye.